I think part of my DNA, and certainly part of my upbringing, is to represent people who don't have a voice. Some of my earliest memories are of my mom going downtown to protest the Vietnam War. I think we learned early on that bad things occur, and it's up to us to make them better. We are lawyers that represent clients who have been hurt by pharmaceutical companies and medical device companies, clergy or therapist abuse, who think they can get ahead by taking advantage of other people. And that just doesn't sit right with me. Those people who don't play by the rules need to play by the rules so everybody has a fair shot at leading a good and decent life. And so many times our clients who come to us have been robbed of that. And our job, and what inspires me, is taking the steps to give that back to them.
The day of Roman's injury, I dropped him at daycare, happy baby, dropped him off. He's about 7-8 months old. And right as I was getting ready to leave for work, I got a phone call from the childcare center, and they said, we need you to get down here immediately. Roman is injured.
When we got to the daycare, he had like really big blisters on both the palms of his hands and on his knee. And they were obvious burn marks. It had been really hot that day. They let them go outside on blacktop surface type material, and he was neglected, like he wasn't being watched because those injuries were so severe, and they said he needed to go to Johns Hopkins Children's to the burn center like immediately. We wanted somebody to be held accountable, and that's what led us to reaching out to one of our friends who referred Rob's firm to us.
Rob and Katie, they were absolutely amazing. You feel like you've known them forever. Very communicative and very understanding. I mean, there's so many good things that I can say about Rob and Katie, but they really make you feel, and they show you that they're there for you, whatever you need, and that they're gonna fight 100% for you.
Every single person that's ever come to general law for legal help would much rather wind back time to the day before they took that prescription drug, the day before they got that medical device, the day before they met that therapist. They would much rather rewind time than be sitting in my office talking to me. But this is their last resort.
Our promise to our clients is that we will do everything that we can to restore the balance and restore some dignity back in their lives. That they have a voice, that they can be heard, and that's what we do for a living. We stand up for people without a voice. They deserve personalized attention, and they'll get it at general law. They are not a case, they are not a number, they are not a matter. They have their own needs, and we will give them what they need.